Hi there, I'm Michelle and I would like to welcome you back to our Caboodles Coloring Class 1. In this video we are doing basic shadows and grounding, and we are going to be concentrating on this middle technique right here where we use pointillism or dots and just a bunch of little squiggles. So let's get started. I'm going to start with my W1, which is my warm gray number 1, and I'm just going to start just randomly adding just random little markings here. Got some dots in there, some little curly cues. I'm just dropping in some ground under this little vehicle to ground it so that the car's actually driving on a road and not just floating or sailing through the air. So really simple here. I can do as much or as little of that as I'd like. Then I'm going to go to my W3 and I'm going to continue to add. I'm going to focus a little bit more under the tire areas. Some of these areas where the sun maybe is casting its ray down. So I know I'm going to have shadows right down here, right underneath the little vehicle. So I'm just going to drop in my squiggles and my dots. And again, I can do as little or as much as I want. Okay, then I'm going to go to my W5, which is the darkest tone I'm using, and I'm going to focus under the tires just because they're right on the road here. So I want it to be just a little bit darker in these areas. And it's that simple. Now if I went too dark with my color or didn't like something that I had done, remember I can always pick up one of my lighter colors. This is my W3, but I could also go to my W1 and I can just touch it on that color and it's going to lighten it, take out some of the depth, but it's also going to help shade it a little more too, create a nice smooth blend. So there you have it. Another very basic, very easy method for grounding an image.